In the past, I would constantly search for my grinder, compressor, and my generator, all those tools that got lost or easily stolen. Someone borrowed it, but I can't remember who, or they simply took it home and there's no record who used it last. This has cost me a lot of money each year in my construction business. I've tried to keep a tool register on MS Excel, and it works quite well for a few tools. But it is a bit time-consuming to search for a specific tool in the spreadsheet, to update its status or discover its location. There are a lot of problems doing it this way, even if you put metal tags or labels on the tools to identify them. As soon as there are humans involved in the recording of the tag number, there are always mistakes. For example, one person writing a 5 while another person sees it as an S. There are a lot of these types of mistakes that happen often. Well, I've done some research on the internet and found a gem of a system that is designed for asset management, and my tools are my assets. It is called Assetzure. The advantage of using Assetzure is it has a mobile app that scans the barcoded identification tags on the tools with your phone's camera. You scan a location barcode. In my case, I use it as the destination site. And there's also a comments field where you can put the name of the person responsible for a specific tool. Now this is the brilliance of the system. Someone needs to take responsibility for every tool that leaves the site. It is also much faster than Excel with no more human errors. There's also desktop software that has more advanced features, filters, and reports that are extremely handy. Since I started doing it this way, none of my tools have gotten lost or stolen. The other big advantage of it is that while the verification process on Excel is agonizingly time-consuming, the Assetzure system has an asset verification function where you can scan all the assets whenever you want to do an asset count, and you can immediately see what is missing and who is responsible for it.